Hey everybody, this is Will from Carneyland, New York. I'm about to do my Pinguicula garden that I got from California Carnivores. If you want to see the unboxing video, it should be on our YouTube. I'm gonna post some pictures soon of everything I got in the unboxing video. A few Drosera Sundus, I got a Sarracenia, and now the Pings. Seems to be everyone's favorite, the Pinguiculas. So I get the soil, probably some sand, perlite, some sort of mix. I don't really know. In all honesty, it doesn't matter. You get the kit from California Carnivores with three different types of pings. Here's the pot that it comes in. What a cute little tray. So I'm going to take the sphagnum moss out to give you a good amount of sphagnum. I'll give you the sphagnum specifically to kind of plug the bottom, offer a better type of drainage. Gonna separate this. I don't know if I'm gonna use all of it. That does seem like a lot. My regular distilled water. However much that was. Gonna let that soak up. Now again, I have three types of Pinguiculas, all Mexican Pinguiculas, Mexican butterworts, the Cheshire Cat, the Sleepy Hedgehog, and lastly, the piggyback. Very excited. Gonna take some of the sphagnum, put it at the bottom here. Not too much, enough to cover the bottom. A little bit more. Offer a nice layer to allow some drainage. And the sphagnum is very absorbent. Keep a nice layer. You know what? In theory, there's got to be a reason why they gave me all of it. But I don't want to use too much. Offer a nice little bed. Pack it down just a little bit. Not too much. That's probably more than enough. Now, the sand. Probably some perlite. I'm probably gonna make it a little bit customizable. Probably put some toys or something. Do a little bit more. This is my first couple of videos like this on YouTube. I hope that I get better and better. Hopefully with a better camera other than my phone. I got this very nice, I don't know, like tarp material. Essentially I can get my mess in here, fold it, and then I can keep my mess all together and not have to really worry about getting everything everywhere. Got it on Amazon. If anyone's interested, send me a comment or a message about getting the same. They give you 2 or 3 for the price of 1. So I'm gonna make a little hole. I'm gonna make another little hole, and I'm gonna make another little hole. But do I want to do that? Nah, I know what I want to do. Give me something right here. Give me something right here. And then give me another one, give or take around here. Let's get this piggyback. Now, I know these little roots. Very hard to say. Little roots. I really need to zoom in. Can't zoom in, but that's okay. Now the hedgehog seemed a little not as big as this Cheshire cat. This Cheshire cat seems very large. Let's look at that. The thing about these pings, they got little roots. Give it a little push, not too much. Very nice. And let me get the sleepy hedgehog. I just wanted to take a minute to thank everybody for their support on our Instagram, our TikTok, and now on our YouTube. Hoping to grow our YouTube even more. So please, if you like this type of content and you want to see more, please like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Very nice. Gonna put some water on these. Now, I'm gonna post some pictures on our Instagram, post some videos on our YouTube, as well as our TikTok. We're almost at 1,000 followers on TikTok. So if you're not following us on TikTok, please give us a follow, like our content. We're over 1,300 followers on Instagram. Thank you for the incredible amount of support on there. It's actually mind-boggling. So thank you guys. Who would have thought plants, especially these types of plants, would get a following? It's actually remarkable. And trying to post more and more on our YouTube. So subscribe, follow, like, share, save. Until the next one, thank you all.